Today, we're comparing two popular email marketing platforms, MailerLite and Moosend, and I'll help you figure out which one might be the best choice if you're just starting out. Stick around till the end, because I've got a surprising recommendation that might be a better fit for your email marketing needs. Let's jump into the first thing, ease of use. When you're just getting started with email marketing, the platform you choose needs to be user-friendly. MailerLite is known for its clean, intuitive interface that makes it easy to design campaigns without a steep learning curve. You can set up emails quickly, create automation workflows, and even use their drag and drop editor without getting overwhelmed. On the other hand, Moosend, while still relatively easy to use, does have a slightly steeper learning curve, especially when it comes to setting up automations and segmentation. It's not overly complex, but if you're completely new to email marketing, it could take a bit longer to figure out compared to MailerLite. The next thing to consider is features. MailerLite offers a lot of bang for your buck, especially when it comes to features like advanced email automation, landing pages, pop-ups, and a free plan that lets you send up to 12,000 emails a month to 1,000 subscribers. But they do have some limitations, particularly when it comes to advanced segmentation and A/B testing, which is a bit more basic compared to Moosend. Moosend, on the other hand, gives you more advanced segmentation options, A/B testing, and a few additional analytics features right out of the gate. This is something to keep in mind if you're looking for more control over how you target and engage with your audience. However, Moosend's free plan is limited to just 1,000 subscribers and only allows you to send 3,000 emails per month. Moving on to support, both platforms offer support, but there's a difference in the type of support you can expect. MailerLite has an extensive knowledge base, community support, and email support, but its live chat is available only on paid plans. Moosend offers 24/7 live chat support, which is a huge plus, especially for beginners who might need quick help when something goes wrong. The fourth thing is pricing. Both platforms are quite affordable, but there are some important differences. MailerLite's free plan is generous, and their paid plans start at just $10 a month. Moosend's pricing is similarly competitive, starting at $8 per month, but their free plan is more restrictive, only allowing 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's talk about deliverability. Both MailerLite and Moosend have solid reputations for email deliverability, but MailerLite often edges out Moosend when it comes to spam complaints and overall inbox delivery. Moosend is still quite good, but if you're building a large list, MailerLite's track record might give you a bit more peace of mind. So, here's the deal. Both MailerLite and Moosend have their strengths and weaknesses, and they're both good options depending on your specific needs. But after trying them both myself, if you're a beginner looking for something that's super easy to use, affordable, and effective for growing your email list, I have a better alternative that offers a wider range of features and support. If you want a better alternative for your email marketing journey, check out the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're serious about making the most of your email marketing efforts, make sure to take advantage of that free trial today.